Would you like to get paid $100 per day from free software? Yeah, this is the best ways to earn money. This is the best way to make money online right now. You have to just watch till the end of this video and I will explain you in details how you can get paid $100 per day from free software or free tools that I'm going to reveal in this video. Just before that, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can get paid definitely $100 or even more money per day just from free software or the free tools, you name it. Just using that tools you can get that money. This is definitely going to be an awesome way to earn money online right now. Just going to go over to the site. The site is called designhill.com. Yes, designhill.com. This is a good website. This is a really good marketplace for designers who create designs, and you can see that they have logos, website, t-shirts and more. People around the world design logos, design website, design various type of t-shirts and sell them in designhill.com and earn money with that. But we are not doing that in this video. We are doing a different thing, but we are using this website. This is the website that we're using in a little bit of time. Just stay with me. I'm going to show you how, but you can go through the sites. This site is a really good site to earn money if you are a designer, but for this video purpose you just go right back into the bottom of that website and you can see in the tools sections, as I say, they have some tools like business tools, logo maker, t-shirt maker, business card maker, email signature generator. Anyway, we just interested in business tools here, so we click on business tools. So this page will show up when we click on this page, showing all the categories they have tools in this website. As it says, free graphic design tools and online editors by Design Hill. These are really awesome. You do not have to register here. You can just go to this page and use these tools without any problem. So they have categories, so we are interested in business tools, so we in the left sections we select business tools here, and this will showing us all the business tools that are free to use in designhills.com. and these are, you can find it, barcode generator, QR code generator, profit margin calculator, invoice generator, PayPal fee calculator, and many more tools like that. So what we are going to use here, we are going to use their slogan generator. This is the slogan generator. If I click on that, this tool will show up like this. This is the slogan generator. This is the idea we're using in this method here that we use to generate slogans. But how we can get money for that? Yes, definitely I'm going to show you the way we can make money, but just stay with me with this. But before that, if you're liking this method, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified and stay with my latest videos always. Let's move on to the tools where we generate slogans. So let's, for example, I want to generate some slogans for my YouTube channel Moneyhorn. So I search like money, and it's just in 2 seconds. I just search money in 2 seconds. You can see hundreds of slogans. It just generated in 2 seconds, and it's more. You just scroll through all the pages and you can find many more great slogans that it generated within 2 seconds, and it's very easy. Just hit this copy button and this slogan is copied and good to earn money with that. but how we can earn money with that. So we are first, if we use freelancing websites, yeah, this is good. Just don't worry, we're going to go to people's per hour. This is our first choice if we want to make money with slogans, because you just go over to people's per hour and you can search for slogan, and you can see that this page will show all the slogans that are currently running, that gigs are currently running into people's per hour. You can see they have only 100, around 100 results out there in comparison to other gigs out there. So this is a very low competitions gig right now. You just have to jump into actions right now, so that there is a greater chance you get accepted, you get more customers right away before it gets even more competitions and more complex. So all you have to do, you can see that people are making money with this. You can scroll through this and you can see that people are asking $40, $10, $30, $25, and they're getting money, they're getting reviews. You can see these are 500 reviews, thousands reviews people are getting, just creating simple slogans for various companies, and people are asking for it. It just take 2 to 3 seconds, and boom, you get it and you deliver it. When you get any order, it just take 2 minutes of your time and you are good to go to earn that amount of money. This is a really cool idea. You have to just jump back in right now to get going, get the money rolling. All you have to do, if you just want to increase the chances that you want to make more money, you just submit similar gigs to not only people's per hour. You just go over to freelancer.com, you can go to truelancer.com, even you can go to fiverr.com, and you can post your gigs to those freelancing websites. And even you can just go over to Google and search for like Fiverr alternative, and it will show all the alternative that are related to freelancing, and you will find many new websites that has very low competitions that you can just jump back in right now and make money with. So this is a really good way. You just take some little efforts to create a gigs and move on to the next site and create a gigs and wait for orders to come, roll in, and you just go over to your slogan making tool and just search for that company name or the type of business they are running, and just hit search, and you will get thousands of slogans just generated for you in 2 seconds, and you can good to go with that. You just copy it and deliver it to them, and you will get money for that. This is a really cool way to earn money right now. But the second way that I'm going to show you, you can also participate or you can earn even more money as a bonus. I recommend you just go over to sloganslingers.com. This is a really good site for slogan making, because this is not like a freelancer site. You just have to go over there, sloganslingers.com. They're saying that why pay an expensive agency or solo freelancers? Start a contest and talented writers will compare to generate your perfect tagline or name. So this is the idea of Slogan Slingers. They are running competitions. They are running slogan competitions. So all you have to do, just go over there and write slogans for those competitions and participate into those competitions, and there are a good chance that you can win money from that, because competitions is very low in slogan slingers, and you can get a chance. It's a chance opportunity. You can move on and just participate as many competitions you can, and you can good to go with this. Slogan slingers is working since 10 years now, so they are not a new here. They are working with big brands like CNBC, Yahoo Finance. So these are really cool site to work with and have a good chance to get some decent amount of money if you win those competitions. So if you just click on write slogans, it will show this page, and it just require your email, username, passwords, and more so on, and to create an account and just go on and participate those competitions, and it's all free. You do not have to pay any money for that. But if you want, there is a third options, but little money is required for that, but there is a greater chance for winning those competitions, and the site is squadhelp.com. Yes, squadhelp.com. This is another slogan competition site, but it needs some little $10 to join and participate those competitions, and you are good to go, because this is a payment option. So free users, free options is not available, so competition is much more lower here. So there is a big chance that you win these competitions. All you have to do is just pay a minimum $10 to start with this, and you can then participate all those competitions for those $10 payment. So this is a really it's not a mandatory, but it's just a bonus for you. You can go to freelancers websites and work with that, and you can go to slogan slingers, work with that for free if you do not want to pay. But for a minimum $10 payment, you can get greatly increase your chances to get bigger amounts of money for same work you do every day. So this is the way you can just earn with using these free tools that designhill.com provides, and you can get very good amount of money, just not only $100 per day. If you just work regularly on freelancer websites, you will get popular in day by day, and more work you do, more money you can make every day. Not $100, you can make $1,000 every day, every month without any problem. But you have to be active, as I always say, then money will follow you. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, and stay with my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.